Kane is in the building.
Sisimula pa lang ang RGB. Nakita namin to isang bilang opportunity para makilala kami. Kasi mga students pa lang kami basically na nag-aaral ng multimedia arts. So we wanted to make a living out of kung anong ginagawa namin.
Bata pa lang kasi kami, tsaka maraming bagong ideas na alam namin yung gusto ng mga tao. Sinigurado namin na bago at kakaiba ang konsepto ng video.
For the people in here, 2 in the air for the brother that's there, 3 in the air for the kids in the ghetto, 4 for the kids that the world is theirs. Yeah, yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I won't give up everything, even start a world war for these ghetto girls and boys. I'm rapping around the world for. The show goes on all night till the morning. The dream so strong. Anybody ever wonder when they will see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on all night.
Naglagay kami ng mga effects na may resemblance sa Hollywood cinematography. At yung mga ginamit namin program ay pang-professional use. Malaking bahagi yung teamwork kung paano namin mapapaganda lalo yung video.